Evening. Right now it's about 16 minutes past 6, and today's 19th of January 2021. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jan. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm Chief Mentored Stock Pro and partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fire, and Asta Trade. So, how are you guys doing? How are you trading? How is your trading going? I'm sure with a lot of work that I'm putting in for you guys, I'm sure you're making good money. So this is a video which I made yesterday during the market hours at about 2:30, and I told that to buy Nifty is looking buy on dip, right? I have very categorically, I made two videos yesterday, and I said that Nifty is looking buy on dip, and I suggested one trade which was Kotak Mahindra Bank, and I said that this looks pretty good to me, right? This is how it was refusing to go below this, and I said that once it crosses in cash 1560, you can take an entry. And I've given three ways to take an entry. One was that you buy cash, the other was you buy option. It's option. I've given a 1900 call, or you can buy its futures, right? So this is what I have suggested yesterday, and I made another evening video in the evening, and where is again I suggested to buy. And have a look at it today. What happened to Kotak Mahindra Bank? It just moved up in a single direction, right? In a single direction, it just straight up went straight up, right? This is the move Kotak Mahindra Bank had, and the option that I suggested to buy at 35 made a high 49, 14 rupees, 14 points move in the option, right? This is called research, and this is for you guys absolutely free. I just simple thing that I want from you is to trust and make money, right? Otherwise, why would I take so much of pain and make a video so urgently for you? Because a trade was coming, and I felt that you all should make money along with me, and that is why I made it. Okay, now you can follow me on my Twitter handle, which I have posted one stock, IDFC. Just wait for it tomorrow. You will find a beautiful breakout coming in this particular stock. And you please be present on my Telegram channel. And here we keep giving, live trades to you all. And I have given TCS. I have given TCS, and look at it. People have voted, that they've made money in TCS, somebody's made money in Reliance, somebody's made money in Kotak. So different people have made different money, and yeah. So what I want to show you today is my latest research. So the first stock that I have on my radar, which is ready for a blast, is same IDFC, right? Have a look at it. These candles are basically consolidation candles, right? These candles are basically consolidation candles, right? And above this 46, you may find a good breakout, right? You will find a good breakout coming up in this. Then the other stock that I have now is stop loss. I have given everything, and I'll be posting my rest of the research also on my Twitter handle. You can go back and check it over there. The second stock that I have in my radar is India Cement, right? The reason for that is that it has clearly broken the trend line, right? It has clearly broken the trend line, right? And it looks pretty good to me, or for a buy above 175, right? Where do I expect it to move up? After 175, I'll create an entry for a target of about 186 or 200. If it crosses that, our stop loss is going to be somewhere at this point, or 168 or so. The other trade that's looking very good to me is uh, which I'm looking at is Hudson Agro, right? Hudson Agro. So these are the candles which have been broken today by this, right? This particular candle, and above 777, above 778, we can expect a breakout, right? We can expect a breakout. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere around 750. Above 777, we can expect a breakout, and the movement could be till about 880 or so. The next stock that I have on my radar is TI Tube Investment of India, right? above 846 we will buy. Look at the RSI, and our stop loss is going to be very small in this case. 800 is going to be our stop loss, and our target is open. You know, the first target is definitely going to be 880, right? And above that it will be just moving up in a single direction, right? Expecting it that way. Let's see how market goes. So yeah, the next trade that I have on my radar is CESC, right? These are tiny candles of CESC, and above 710 we will expect a good blast. Our stop loss is going to be about 25 points, and above 710 we can expect a good move up, right? So these are some of the stocks which are cash. So IDFC, India Cement, Hudson Agro, right? And then we have uh, Tube Investment of India, CESC, right? These are the 5 stocks that I've given. And in futures, I have 2-3 stocks. First one is PFC. PFC still, I have my stand on it on a buy side at about at 125, and above that it will be moving in a single direction. And again, I'm still holding my. I would still say that buying in ITC above, when it holds above this place, right, which is 222 or 22 222 above, if the closing happens above that, we can take an entry in ITC. So ITC, um, ITC, PFC, and one last stock that I have on my radar is RBL Bank. And the reason for RBL Bank is it has broken the trend line today, right? It has broken the trend line today, right? This is how the trend line has been broken. So we can take an entry, but where is the entry for us? We can take an entry right above 256, right? 255 or 256. We can take an entry. Our stop loss is going to be 245, and target is at least still 270, right? So these are my trades. First trade definitely is 3 future stock and 5 cash stocks. So you will find at least the cash stocks on my Twitter handle, and future stock tomorrow on the Telegram channel. So with this, I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the live market on my Telegram channel. Bye.